Hi, I'm John Fenley, and welcome to MRI Experiments, where we take random objects and throw them in an MRI machine. Well, I've got this screwdriver that's acting like a giant iron filing inside this magnetic field. It wants to align itself with the north and south poles, and it doesn't want to stay sideways. It's like a giant iron filing. The MRI machine has north and south poles at the very bottom and top, and inside the field is basically just completely uniform and up and down. And so the screwdriver is not being pulled in any particular direction. It just wants to stay in line with the magnetic field. The train is just, this is just so weird. Whoa! 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 Hey! Now we got a big chain in here. Oh my goodness! Oh shit!
Can we get it off now?
I don't know if we'll be able to get it off.
Oh my god, I can't get it off.
Oh man! Oh no! What did you do, Dad? What did you do? What did you do?
A sculpture.
Oh jeez!
That's kind of fun.
That is. Oh man! We can both pull on it here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Now don't do that again.